In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging announcement on a channel. First, let's navigate to your desired channel. If you're anything like me, clarity and organization are two essential elements that keep your communication efficient. So, take a moment to select the channel where your announcement will make the most impact. This could be a team channel or a project-specific one depending on your needs. Now that you're there, you'll notice an option to start a new conversation. This is your starting point. Click on New Conversation, which you can typically find at the bottom of your screen. Think of this as the initial blank canvas where your message will come to life. But we aren't just crafting a regular message. To ensure your announcement stands out, you'll want to make use of the format options available. Direct your attention to the format icon, often depicted as an A with a pencil or similar illustration. Clicking on this icon gives you access to a suite of tools that help structure your message more effectively. Here, look for an option labeled Announcement. Selecting this option will provide your message with a unique standout heading, perfect for capturing attention right away. Now, it's time to add the essence of your communication, the title and content. Start by crafting a succinct but compelling title that captures the essence of what you want to convey. The title is vital because it's the first thing your audience will see. It sets the tone and piques interest, so aim for something that is clear and direct. For the content, think about the core information you need to share. Keep it concise and to the point, but don't shy away from adding necessary details that your audience might find useful. Once you've crafted both your title and your content, it's always a good idea to review what you've written. Nothing breaks the momentum of a well-crafted